Hello everyone. Today we will take a look at the DIY proof of concept project, Human Safety Device to Monitor Kids, Elderly, and Sick, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. The link to the project is in the description of this video. Imagine a small but powerful device that can detect danger, check health, and call for help when needed. It runs on the IndusBoard Coin, a tiny board made for real-time monitoring. This device is for elderly people, kids, and anyone with health issues who may need quick help. It has a MEMS sensor that detects falls. If someone falls, it sends an alert with their GPS location to emergency contacts. No need to press any buttons. It also has a temperature sensor to check health. If the temperature is too high or too low, it sends an alert, which could mean fever or other health problems. For direct help, there's an emergency button. Press it to send an alert if feeling unsafe or unwell. The device has GPS and GSM, so it works without the internet. It sends SMS alerts even in remote areas as long as there's GSM network coverage. This project can be built by electronics engineers, hobbyists, students, researchers, startups, and DIY enthusiasts with experience in IoT, microcontrollers, and embedded systems. Engineering students can develop it as an academic project, while startups and tech companies can refine and commercialize it for real-world use. Ready to find out how it works? This is our prototype. On pressing the emergency button, the buzzer blows and you can see a notification on your mobile phone. Amazing, right? But how to make this? You can make this with very few components. Let's take a look. IndusBoard Coin is a small IoT board that includes built-in sensors for acceleration, temperature, and a magnetic compass. It acts as the main controller for processing sensor data and sending alerts. SIM800L GSM module enables the device to send SMS alerts even in areas without internet access. This ensures emergency messages reach contacts reliably. L86 GPS module provides real-time location data, allowing emergency contacts to know where the user is during an alert. Emergency button, physical or touch sensor, allows the user to manually send an SOS alert in case of an emergency. The buzzer produces a sound to notify people nearby when an emergency alert is triggered. To assemble the circuit, follow the circuit diagram. Arrange all the components including the IndusBoard, GSM module, GPS module, button, and buzzer on the breadboard. Follow the circuit diagram to assemble the circuit. Once the circuit is assembled, we will write code on Arduino IDE for the IndusBoard. In the code, first define all the header files necessary to work with the external peripherals used. Then define all the pin modes to which external components are connected in the setup function. Then in an infinite loop, keep on monitoring the health conditions and send notifications on the mobile phone as and when required. Now select the correct port and board to upload the code. Once the code is uploaded, turn on the power supply and you can see the notification on the phone by pressing the emergency button. Voila! It works. What did you learn? Learned how to build a small device that detects falls, checks health, and sends alerts. Learned how to use the IndusBoard Coin and connect GPS and GSM modules. Learned how to do real-time monitoring of movement, temperature, and location. Interested in developing your own human safety device? Then click on the link provided in the description of this video. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.